Honor
your father and your mother, that thy days may be long upon the land, which the Lord thy God giveth them. Exodus 28:6.
children.
Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Ephesians 6:1.
Pray.
Pray without ceasing. 1 Thessalonians 5:17. If you love me, keep my commandments. John 14:16. Humble yourself to the Lord, and He will exalt you. James 4:10.
For God
God so